In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bio in CapCut. By the end, you'll have a clear, polished bio showing on your CapCut profile, whether you're using the web version or the mobile app. First, open CapCut. You can go to the website in your browser or launch the app on your phone or tablet, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update. If you're already inside a project, back out to the main home screen so you can access your account settings easily. Next, look for your profile icon. On the web, it's typically in the upper right corner. Click it to open your account menu. On mobile, the profile area may appear on the main navigation. The idea is the same. You're heading to your personal page so you can update your details. From that menu, choose View Profile. This takes you to the public-facing page that others see. It's helpful to land here first so you can preview how changes will look once you're done. Now, click or tap Edit Profile. This opens your profile settings panel where you can change things like your display name, avatar, and of course, your bio. Find the bio field and type in what you want people to know about you. Keep it short, clear, and true to your style. You might include what you create, your niche, or a simple tagline. For example, something like cut, edit, create, repeat is short, memorable, and on-brand for video editing. If you use emojis, pick one or two that add personality without making the text hard to read. Avoid including personal contact details or anything sensitive. Your bio should be helpful and safe. If there's a character limit, aim to keep it punchy. 1 to 2 lines is usually perfect. A quick tip: read it out loud once to make sure it flows and matches your tone. When you're happy with it, click Save. Give it a second to apply, and then check your profile page to confirm the update. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or revisit your profile. Sometimes it can take a moment to sync. If the Save button appears disabled, try shortening your text or removing extra spaces or line breaks, then try again. That's it. Your CapCut bio is set. A strong bio helps people instantly understand who you are and what you make, so keep it concise and update it as your content evolves. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.